Let's make Italian sausage and tortellini soup. It's creamy and spicy and incredibly warming on a cold day. Let's get started. In a large pot over medium-high heat, add a package of Italian sausage. This is the hot flavor. You can use the kind that come as links, just remove the sausage from the casings first. Add diced onion. This is half of a large sweet onion. Cook that until the sausage is completely cooked and the onion is softened. I'm using this ground meat tool thing, and it makes it so easy to crumble this sausage. It takes like half the time to do this. When the sausage is cooked, drain away the excess grease before you continue. Here's an easy way to remove excess fat when browning ground meat. Scooch the meat over to one side of the pot. Take a folded paper towel and using tongs, just blot up that excess grease. And there's no need to take the pot away from the stove. Look at what I was able to remove. Now add 3 cloves of minced garlic. I'm stirring that for just a minute, and then I'm adding 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir that for another minute until the flour is well mixed in, then add your herbs. I don't have any fresh herbs today, so I'm going to make this really simple and add 1 tablespoon of this Italian seasoning blend. This is a blend of rosemary, basil, parsley, and thyme. This brand also has a bit of dehydrated onion, garlic, and red pepper. It makes it super easy to add a ton of flavor really quickly. Now add half a teaspoon of black pepper and a good pinch of salt. I like it spicy, so I'll add a couple of shakes of some red pepper flakes. Stir in all those spices and add 6 cups or 1400 milliliters of chicken stock. Stir and scrape up those brown bits from the bottom of the pot and then add 1 cup or 250 milliliters of heavy cream. Bring the soup to a boil and then reduce to a gentle simmer. Add a package of refrigerated cheese tortellini and cook until done. Mine took about 6 minutes. When the tortellini is done, add 2 handfuls of chopped baby spinach. You only have to stir it until it's wilted and then taste to see if you need more salt. And you're done! You made spinach and tortellini soup in under 30 minutes. Let me know in the comments if you made this recipe and if you liked it. You can find the link to the full printable recipe in the description box below. If you learned anything from this video, please do me a favor and like, subscribe, share. Those things really do help out a small channel. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching.